Are you looking to build your brand on social media and in need of some food social media content ideas? Check out some cool food social media content ideas and some of our AI tools to come up with more specific social media content ideas and write more effective social media captions faster than ever before. Let's start with the food social media content ideas. Share a photo or video of a new recipe you've created. Post a picture of your favorite seasonal ingredients. Share a recipe video with step-by-step instructions. Share a customer review with a photo of their dish. Create a poll asking your audience what their favorite food is. Post a behind-the-scenes photo of the cooking process. Share a photo of a delicious and nutritious meal. Create a post asking your audience to share their favorite recipes. Share a recipe that's perfect for a rainy day. Post a photo of a dish that's perfect for brunch. Share a recipe that's perfect for a date night. Share a photo of a dish that's perfect for a picnic. Post a photo of your favorite kitchen gadget. Share a recipe for a homemade pasta dish. Create a post about a popular food trend. Share a recipe for a gluten-free dish. Post a photo of a dish that's perfect for a dinner party. Share a recipe for a vegan dish. Share a photo of a dish that's perfect for a summer BBQ. Create a post about your favorite food bloggers. Share a recipe for a healthy snack. Post a photo of a dish that's perfect for a potluck. Share a recipe for a classic comfort food. Share a photo of a dish that's perfect for a lazy Sunday. Create a post about your favorite food-related books. Share a recipe for a homemade salad dressing. Post a photo of a dish that's perfect for a movie night. Share a recipe for a slow cooker meal. Share a photo of a dish that's perfect for a Thanksgiving dinner. Create a post about your favorite food-related podcasts. Share a recipe for a breakfast smoothie. Post a photo of a dish that's perfect for a game night. Share a recipe for a homemade pizza. Share a photo of a dish that's perfect for a romantic evening. Create a post about your favorite cooking shows. Share a recipe for a homemade soup. Post a photo of a dish that's perfect for a Christmas dinner. Share a recipe for a homemade salsa. Share a photo of a dish that's perfect for a New Year's Eve party. Create a post about your favorite food festivals. Share a recipe for a homemade dip. Post a photo of a dish that's perfect for a summer picnic. Share a recipe for a homemade sauce. Share a photo of a dish that's perfect for a winter day. Create a post about your favorite food documentaries. Share a recipe for a homemade dessert. Post a photo of a dish that's perfect for a birthday party. Share a recipe for a homemade burger. Share a photo of a dish that's perfect for a family dinner. Create a post about your favorite food-related Instagram accounts. Share a recipe for a homemade hummus. Post a photo of a dish that's perfect for a bridal shower. Share a recipe for a homemade smoothie bowl. Share a photo of a dish that's perfect for a baby shower. Create a post about your favorite food-related YouTube channels. Share a recipe for a homemade granola. Post a photo of a dish that's perfect for a BBQ. Share a recipe for a homemade jam. Share recipes for classic dishes. Post pictures of your favorite food bloggers. Highlight seasonal produce and ingredients. Share food trivia and fun facts. Create how-to videos on cooking techniques. Share pictures of your favorite cooking tools and appliances. Post pictures of food from around the world. Share healthy eating tips and recipes. Create polls on your favorite types of cuisine. Share tips on meal prep and planning. Post pictures of your favorite kitchen gadgets. Share quick and easy meal ideas. Create infographics on the benefits of different types of food. Share food-related memes and jokes. Post pictures of your favorite cookbooks. Share interviews with chefs and food experts. Create polls on food trends. Share pictures of your favorite cooking shows. Highlight local farmers and producers. Share reviews of restaurants and cafes. Post pictures of your favorite food-themed movies. Share recipes for plant-based meals. Create step-by-step tutorials for complicated dishes. Share food-related quotes and inspiration. Post pictures of your favorite food festivals. Highlight food-related charities and organizations. Share recipes for easy snacks and appetizers. Create polls on the best cooking methods. Check out the food, social media ideas in the video description. Let's now have a look at how you can use our AI social media tools to really create awesome campaigns better and faster than ever before. Sign up for free and give it a go.
Let us see how AI can help you create effective social media posts. Spark creativity with the various social media post generators. We are going to look at social media captions, images, video scripts, repurposing, and blog to social generator. Let's start with the social media caption generator. Head over to Storylab AI and select a social caption generator. Select a social platform, describe your post, and choose a style. Not bad, right? AI can spark creativity within seconds. Run the AI tool a couple of times and create a list of potential social media posts. Now let's create some cool images for the social media posts. Describe what the image should look like. Select a style and let AI work its magic. You can leave the style empty and add your unique style in the image prompt. If you want to engage your audience with a video post, use the social media video script generator. Enter a couple of details about the video and let AI come up with an engaging video script, perfect for a video post. All you have to do is record the video and post it with the caption you created earlier. Now let's see how the social media repurposing generator works. Simply copy, paste the copy of an existing social media post. Describe how you want to spice up your post and get 3 new variations within seconds. Now, let's see how you can create up to 25 social media captions based on an existing blog post. Copy and paste the text from your blog post. Select a social media channel and writing style. The blog to social generator will come up with 25 social media captions based on 5 topics. Pretty cool, right? Set up your Storylab AI account and get started with the social media post generators. Don't simply copy/paste ideas and press the publish button. Use AI to spark creativity, but always add your unique style and engage your audience. Subscribe to stay up to date with the latest content creation tips.